Estes, where are you? Can you stand from your place? I say, how are you? I am asking from you guys, are you coming here first time or twice? You are coming the first time, so then I can give you one advice. Our Kyrgyzstan is very beautiful. It looks like a paradise.
Damn!
O İngilizcen ırda dey tırday verim dağı ver. Bürük düşünböysün bari ver.